We're back to the magic of white sauce. And on our website and on our original white sauce demonstration, we will attach that to this photo if you want to quickly go back to it. On the website, we'll have all the different amounts for serving sizes so that you could cook for a large crowd or you can cook for one. Right now we're cooking for about 4 people, and we're going to make chicken tetrazzini, which is so delicious and it's often overlooked. So I have 2 cups of white sauce in this bowl, and I'm going to add chicken flavoring to it. So for I'm going to put 3 half teaspoon measures of the chicken flavoring. You can use any kind, soup base or dried, whatever you use. I would not recommend the little cubes that come individually wrapped. This is a real kitchen, and so I'm going to show you that I use about that much pepper. It takes a lot of pepper, even in just 2 cups, because that's one of the secret ingredients.
Is that what makes it the tetrazzini part?
Yes, if you forgot the pepper, you're not having tetrazzini, you're having chicken casserole or chicken spaghetti. The other thing is that you add cream. Add cream to taste. I'll put some approximates on the website if you must have it, but I'll tell you, for us, 2 glugs. In just about every recipe, that takes care of the cream requirement of my family. So you stir those together, and we'll also discuss on the basic white sauce video, we will discuss how to store white sauce so that it's ready to go right when you need it. This was previously done, and we aren't going to demonstrate that part. So we've got all the elements in there. That looks like a lot of pepper, but when you put it into the pasta, which I like to use thin spaghetti, it can be any kind of pasta. So then you just stir it. Oh, I forgot to say, we have just boiled and drained 8 ounces of thin spaghetti, and it's in the bottom of the pot. So if it looks miraculous, it's because we skipped that step. I think everyone knows how to boil spaghetti. Okay, so here we have, the last thing is the chicken. And I would recommend whatever your family likes. For this, I'm going to put about a cup of chicken in it. So a key to this is to taste. With the chicken, we have used rotisserie chicken breast and just cubed it up. You could certainly, and I often do, cube up extra turkey. After Thanksgiving, I prepared several packets just because tetrazzini is one of my family's favorites. And I'm feeding 2 college kids right now, so we need to have plenty of that. So here we have it, chicken tetrazzini. Oops. I kind of like that, stringy like this. Okay. Good.
Very good.